Okay, so when you're changing the gel ear seals or replacing a standard seal with gel on over the head headset, it's kind of nice. You can go like this and expose the ear cup a little bit better. To remove the ear seal, just peel it off. To install the new one, you want to hook this little lip here over the ear cup, long side to the short side, and then rotate it around. Right here, you want to hook that over the lip on the headset. I'm also holding the seal on this side with my 2 fingers. So once again, hook it over the top, rotate, swing that over, and then use a finger on the inside, rotating around to hook it on all the way around, and then just kind of pressing into the ear cup, rotate until it's straight, and you're all set.